This is binary. How do you read and write in it? Or let's rephrase that, why do you want to learn a completely useless niche skill? The idea of reading this looks impossible, right? Wrong. It's actually pretty easy, and it's sort of a pathetic way for puzzles to add difficulty. I want to note, this only works for the English alphabet, because the group of people who made it were some Americans with the ASCII encoding, which later became Unicode. What we need to do is split into 8 bits, or a byte, which equals a character. So it goes here, here, and here. But if you're doing some sort of puzzle, it would already be done for you. So let's just assume that's happened. Okay, now we've got 4 sets of 8 numbers. The first 3 numbers tell you if it's uppercase or lowercase. So 010 means it's a capital letter, and 011 means it's lowercase. The other 5, well, they tell you the letter. Each one of those numbers has a value. So the first one is 1, the second one is worth 2, next one's worth 4, next one's worth 8, and the last one's worth 16. Now we look at the ones that have got a 1 underneath them, so it has a value. So what we've got is 8 and a 4. We add them up, and that gives us 12. And how this works is A equals 1, B equals 2, C equals 3, D equals 4, all the way on to 12 equaling L. So our first letter equals L. It's a capital because it starts with 010. Okay, so now we move on. The thing starts with 011, so that means it's lowercase. And all we've got here is a 1, so that just equals a lowercase a. Next, we have got a 8, 4, and a 1. Add that up, that's 13. 13th letter of the alphabet equals M. Of course, it helps if you remember the alphabet and its corresponding number. 9, 20, space, 18, 5, 1, 12, 12, 25, space, 4, 15, 5, 19. But if you're struggling, here's some help. Okay, so far we've got L, A, and M. Let's work at the last letter. We've got a 4 and a 1. Add those together, you've got 5, and it won't be surprising that our last letter equals E. And our word is lame. Sort of like this YouTube channel. Now, if you still haven't got it, don't worry. You're not dumb, maybe a little bit stupid, but I've got some tricks to help you. So if you think a word is too hard to figure out, do the easiest ones first, and then you can figure out on the way. If it starts with 001, it's most certainly a punctuation mark. And if it ends with 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, it's just a space between 2 words. Okay, let's try another one. Okay, let's work this out. So we've got a 16. The 16th letter is a P. We've got a 8, a 4, a 2, and a 1. That gives us 15. So that equals O. We've got a 16 and a 2. That gives us 18, so R. Okay, I like where this is going. And finally, we've got a 8, a 2, and a 1. That gives us 11. And that gives us finally a K. Totally what I was thinking. The word pork. Definitely. And there you go. That's how you read and write binary. Go flex this to whoever you want. They'll probably tell you to go away, but you can read and write binary. That's way cooler than whatever they can do. For now, I am going to go watch some pork. I'm going to go watch some pork.